Hello everyone. In this today's video, we are breaking down the difference between branch companies and the subsidiary companies in the UAE. If you're planning to expand your business in the UAE and come in this vibrant market, understanding these two sectors are crucial. Let's dive into it. First, let's talk about branch companies. Branch companies is an extension of your parent company. It doesn't have any separate legal identity, which means the parent company is fully liable for its operations. Branch companies are idle if you want to operate in the UAE while maintaining complete control from your headquarters. They can engage in the same activity as the parent company but are restricted in specific sectors such as commercial trading in some cases. On other hand, we have subsidiary company. Subsidiary company is a separate legal entity. Even though it's owned and controlled by the parent company, it has its own separate legal identity. In UAE, the subsidiary are registered as LLC, which means Limited Liabilities Company in UAE market. This structure allows more flexibility. A subsidiary can operate independently and even explore new business activities outside the parent company's scope. Now let's compare branch company and subsidiary. Number 1. Liability. In a branch company, the parent company is fully liable for the debt and obligations. In a subsidiary, the liability is totally limited to the capital invested in the UAE entity. Number 2. Control. The branches are controlled by the parent company itself, while subsidiaries are operate independently, offer more local autonomy. Number 3. Activities. Branches are usually restricted to the parent company business activities, while subsidiary can diversify the operation in the UAE regulation. Number 4. Easy to set up. Branches may have a simpler registration process, but the subsidiary often offer great flexibility in the long term. If you're looking for a full control and alignment with your existing operation, then branch will be a good option. But if you want to expand in a new market and reduce liabilities, then subsidiary will be a good fit for you. So, which structure suits your business needs best? Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insights doing business in the UAE. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.